The courage to make India, the world's greatest democracy, into a virtual police state whereby a single dubious complaint, both an eminent member of this House as well as one of India's most veteran journalists is charged with sedition. The courage to try and take over every state government by hook or by crook, whether you have won the popular mandate or not. Does the ruling party wish that its legacy be that it governed the largest democracy in the world, or that it imposed a one-party rule in India? Ask yourselves. The courage to announce a national lockdown at only 4 hours' notice, causing untold misery, countless deaths, the sight of thousands walking for hundreds of miles with no food or money. This government spent less than 2% on social transfers, in contrast to OECD countries who spent 20% and 6%, which was spent by middle-income countries. The courage, no, the brazen audacity to announce an economic rebound. India was the single worst performer among developing countries in the year 2020. Even if we believe this government's economic survey, the economy was lower by 7.7% in 2020 and will rise by 11% in 2021. So in effect, by 2022, that is over a 2-year time span, the economy will be flat. The courage to use the official channels of the Ministry of External Affairs to respond to social media posts by an 18-year-old climate activist and an American pop star, when not even one single ministry has been deputed by this government to try and look out for the food, water and basic sanitation needs of the farmers and their families who have been camping at the border for almost 90 days. Question,
but you're not answering the question.
What? Please let me finish.
You please tell me the logic of attempt to murder. Down. No, tell me how is it attempt to murder?
No, I can if you will stop speaking for 30 seconds.
No, 1 second. Please answer the question.
Yes, I will answer the question.
So tell me how is this attempt to murder?
Arnab, please let me finish. No, Arnab, let me speak.
Oh, ma'am, please don't continue the lynch mob. Tell me,
Arnab,
would you find attempt to murder?
Keep talking. Arnab, you are judge, jury and executioner.
No, I'm not.
You should talk to yourself.
I am suggesting logic to you. Mahua Moitra, I am suggesting logic to you.
Arnab, let me speak. Being sued for defamation, I gave a speech in Parliament in the Lok Sabha where I'm covered by privilege. The BJP got one of their pet media houses to come in and hound me and say that it was plagiarized. I turned around and said that I haven't plagiarized anything. You guys are the ones who are the chores. And again, I stand by it. And if he sued me for defamation, good luck. I'll see him in court, which I am.
The Delhi High Court on Tuesday granted bail to TMC MP Mahua Moitra in Zee Media Corporation Limited's criminal defamation case against her. She was granted bail on a personal bond of 20,000 rupees. Mahua had appeared before the court after summons were issued against her. Zee News had moved the court against Mahua Moitra after she allegedly called Zee News chor and a paid news channel. The matter will be taken up next on January 10th.
Mamta Durga can never be overtaken by Ram. Durga rides on a tiger. Nobody overtakes her. Right? So you'll have to first kill the tiger to get to Durga, and that's not happening.